Hi everyone, this is Poonam Mashru here from DMTI Soft Pro. I'm here to talk about our workshop. Our workshop is called Local SEO using Google Maps. Now, basically what will this teach you? It will teach you how to rank on Google Maps, right? Please understand, today 85% of the people are searching for information or shops or brands using a mobile. When you use a mobile, in fact, I want you to check this out once I finish. Is that the minute you start Googling on the mobile, you have 3 listings which belong to the map. Those listings are called the Google My Business tool, which Google uses to list your business on the first page of Google. Please understand, localized. What I mean by localized is within your area, your business must be on the top 3. Correct? So I'll be teaching you how to get your listings on Google and rank in your local area. Correct? So this workshop is all about how to use Google My Business. I'll be showing you how to set up your accounts. I'll be showing you how to put in your messaging, sync your messaging with your mobile. I'll be showing you how to create events, how to create posts, how to put in your photos, how to put in your videos. Not only that, this is a full-fledged workshop which will actually give you a good idea about the insights into your business. So I'll be discussing analytics with you. I'll be showing you how to sync your Google ad account to Google My Business, and there's lots more. So come join me. Not only that, in fact, if at all you have a business which has multiple locations, how to rank for all those locations, how to sync multiple locations together, complete works. In fact, download the brochure, have a look, see if it interests you. Personally, I feel that if at all you're a business which requires footfalls, if at all you're a brand, if at all, even if you're an individual freelancer or a counselor or a food blogger, you need to have some kind of a listing, right? In fact, I know a lot of times I tell people, Google me. In fact, today, go Google me, right? And you'll see an entire listing. Please understand, getting on the first page of Google, in this way is free. Imagine getting all the leads, all the footfalls, all the calls to your business, all this for free because it is a local SEO. I will teach you that. Come join me, download the brochure, have a look, see if it interests you and get in touch. All the best.